Congratulations, Dr. Weyepe. How does it feel to receive this recognition for your conservation effort?
First of all, I would like to express my immense gratitude to E-khon for giving me this opportunity to share testimony on how Jessami community was awarded the Best Sustainable Tourism Practice on the occasion of Northeast India Tourism Award 2025, which was held in Guwahati a couple of days back. For me, getting this award is truly an honor and a humbling experience. It means a great deal to me personally, because it recognizes not only my individual efforts, but also the collective commitment of the Jessami community towards the conservation of our natural heritage. Further, I would like to say that this award is a reflection of our shared vision, that is protecting our biodiversity, especially the habitat of Mrs. Hume's vision, through community-led initiative. Lastly, I would like to say that this award reinforces my belief that when community takes ownership of conservation, real and lasting change is possible.
What impact do you think this award will have on your conservation efforts?
Yeah, definitely it will have a huge impact. Jessami been awarded the Best Sustainable Tourism Practice from the whole Northeast region. I firmly believe that it will instill a sense of stewardship, custodianship, and of course that sense of consciousness towards the importance of conserving our ecosystem, natural resources more than ever before. But here I would like to put across that we need to be quite mindful with the footfall of tourists, because in the past we have seen some of the places, contexts where there was a huge footfall of tourism. That is why it doesn't sustain, because it has led to environmental degradation, it has led to wildlife disturbance, it has led to degradation of the local culture. So taking this into consideration, Jessami has meanwhile come out with a regulatory mechanism to checkmate the inflow of tourists in our village, to ensure that our tourism is quality-based. Our tourism follow the principle based on which we have initiated, that is responsible tourism, sustainable tourism. And also I would like to go on to say that our way forward plan is to bring more stakeholders on the board. That is the student community, that is the youth community, the like-minded persons on board, so that we can have a constant dialogue, we can share ideas, we can translate this idea into a reality. And yes, we have large green of forests within my village, beyond my village, in a neighboring community as well. So we would like to disseminate this idea to the neighboring community as well, so that they can replicate the same model in the context. After all, the well-being of our neighboring community is also the well-being of Jessami, and vice versa. Thank you.
Congratulations, Mr. Wezah.
Thank you.
On the award. Can you tell us what are the key factors that contributed to the success of Jessami?
아주 success이 한국이가 오케이 tourism 그지 레드범테 사업네 이름나 호복 타터래 이 태국이 힐리 태국이 이위 태국이 리바 tourism이 attracts how why 이tum이 ramili tada naturally leping 하네 그 이tum나 expose sa the hi le ji mang ji the ka the ji le ji wang tang no tourism doesn't take place before because we doesn't know how to share what we have. We doesn't expose the exposure here in the first place. This should take place. Jena it achieve success factor ah hang no firstly if Dr. Weyepe na we ideally ki razang la na introduce sai jille we take away our ideas being here ramnaule share bizarre that ramnaul interest kwimi and then usually on sustainable tourism the ramli saji jiba ungtar jiwi our philosophy kala concept hi tada matha lagana clarity le lagana hok bhogwang ajui success jiwang ungtai ji in the shangwe kala hida the sabar ji modality layout being on every detail mathalagana hok bhogle le pingai da tada ajira shung da success alagana tourism hit the clean. That's one key point. Akna jiga ramnau ping na hili interest kui mi da kala cooperation ma thala yang kami wang hila ka ha agne tourism wang is tumna thala yang successful sala yang sara jiga basically issue natural tourism ne war tourism ne it me cultural hipping in a best attraction ba if a community based side the community na yar in interest mu kwimi ga ungdak bai ning ne ka ramnau bing na discipline aku alung le village council na himsa bai mra hithara gjibi rules regulation aka high kwimi le ramnau na interest kwimi da kala discipline alung akle kahang na lagai na kutom khnu alung le ajui success i krane da kui tourism attracts hak vai he tumi rami le naturally thada le pingai ne itumna expose sa the ne milimang sthe mang kaji the wang tourism gi tumde malai sa ji ne jimne ga attracts hak vai rana lum san lagai na tumde trag me ai dak le ne potential trag le dak le ne what we need to do in the first place is expose those things to others. Tourism is here, storytelling no, millions things ne, hile, ndum himi angai himam tham lagaji, and then explain what we have. That's all tourism is all about. Kahim sak devang platform kui devang tourism here, redam lay samne, iramdilla. Say tourism here. Singum mati panga siga hopok to termine. Ka tourism ikta the hopok iramle hopok la jiga in the first place. E-khon hila akne. E-khon in Jessami le hims vision samangi ji paush kashai na hibi conservation le razang mida coverage tara na quick me wang ji will follow up another media team no thada khangte te da ral ga itu bin coverage matala na media na matala na expose hak me wang tada matang tourist la jungmaman jungsungmaman la ga ajue tuwe tourism journey here successful salagain chatlene.
So how has the community come together to achieve this success, and what role has the village council played in it?
Tourism really Jessami village council na shruktara kuye. Like for instance, awareness camp ka thai tra ku kai awareness ji ka ta ka improve sar la ka ji la kha and then he tourism sadagli he itum wang kan kana ya ga le ji la hang stay itum da sayu bayo mukap chai lo thing ka dai mut lo gi zal la musalo ji ma hangai ga phamda mane ta musa ga ki benefits le ji la mahang stay ga khui sang le makan kana da da sha hu ye je na ka ta ga ji ga sayu bayo da ye kap chai thing da ra ha da ye sak jam dak le hi hili kan da ka me a ka ka ta le ji ga tourism bing na ra ka benefit sam hang de le ya ga sam hang de le hi tha de le za la highlight sa mi athum le hang me kala ak ban na ka ta le ji ga especially itumi spotters de le acha la ga thada veteran hunter jilli tang ji sa kreng wa bing je atum na expert ni currently ba jana atum ni spotters the group aka semil ga especially birding being tourism especially birding being raka birding being jin atum spotters being jin na vano hilile ji atum na than ba la ga guide la sa vano being la atum na ki ga spot ha mil la ga atum na earn sai in a day thada earn sai the ji kan khanai hi thai ji hi conservation we kan khanai hi thai ji athum la thepi ngai u thile ariva khanding da um salim ne sakreng ma lim ne athum ba na ka gre ji ga sakreng sa bai mra banam kap sa bai mra ji village council na mahang la athum ba na thada hangron ngai ne athum ba in ariva hunters highlight ga athum ba in conservationist on gai he success story aga tada in a practically tada testing hui gaya he agne the village council na hikta he idea si mi and then village council we role ka hak agne ba tourism we wang conservation sa da gri conservation we protocol ka thai regulation thai village council da conservation we protocol ka thai formulate sa me kala yang sung mi le